Call Barbie again and ask her to come over for the tea party. Okay. Are you gonna make some tea for Barbie? Okay. Here. Make tea, yeah. Are you gonna put it in the stove to get it hot? Are you gonna put it on the stove to get it hot? You want to put it on the stove top to get it hot? Ooh, that's a special kind of tea. Okay, let's drink some tea. You want to drink some tea? You want to get it out? Is it all done?
Yeah.
You want to put some honey in the tea?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Where's the honey? Is it in the refrigerator?
Yeah.
Let's see. Push some honey. Baby corn? That sounds good. Oh, mix it. Baby corn and honey? Delicious. That sounds delicious. What a treat. Barbie's coming? I know. It'll be fun. Tea party with Barbie.